Welcome to Mystery Sounds. Today we're delving into the enigmatic bloop, an ultra-low frequency sound that puzzled experts and ignited wild theories. Recorded by the US National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration in 1997, the bloop's volume reached sensors over 3,000 miles apart. The sound's origin? A remote point in the South Pacific Ocean. Yet, the bloop's producer remained unknown. Some theorized it to be an unidentified creature, possibly a giant squid or mythical sea beast. But in 2012, the mystery was solved. The bloop wasn't a creature, but a natural event, an icequake from Antarctic glaciers. So, the bloop's mystery is solved, but many oceanic sounds remain unexplained. Stay with Mystery Sounds for more enigmas unraveled. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.